Welcome back to Education Hunter, and in today's video we'll be learning special sounds in words. We're gonna learn some special sounds. We're gonna learn some special sounds. We're gonna learn some special sounds. I wonder what they are. ST says st. ST says st. FL says full. FL says full. BL says bull. BL says bull. TH says th. TH says th. Y says I. Y says I. PL says pull. PL says pull. E says E. E says E. AY says A. AY says A. CL says cool. CL says cool. CK says k. CK says k. GL says go. GL says go. TH says z. TH says z. FR says fur. FR says fur. O says O. O says O. SH says sh. SH says sh. TR says chur. TR says chur. Alright, so let's speed it up now. ST, st. FL, full, full. BL, bull. TH, Y, I. PL, pull. E, AY, A. CL, cool. CK, GL, go. TH, z. FR, fur. O. SH, sh. TR, chur. Okay, practice your special sounds until you know them well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.